Hey there, welcome to Fact Frenzy. In the vast, interconnected tapestry of our planet's ecosystem, few phenomena are as breathtaking and mysterious as the migration of birds. Each year, millions of birds embark on extraordinary journeys that span thousands of miles, crossing continents, oceans, and challenging terrains. These aerial travelers navigate through complex landscapes, battling harsh weather conditions, predators, and human-made obstacles, driven by an innate instinct that has been perfected over millions of years of evolution. The migration of birds is not just a remarkable display of nature's resilience, but also a critical component of global ecological balance. These winged travelers play crucial roles in seed dispersal, pollination, and maintaining the delicate equilibrium of ecosystems across different continents. From the Arctic tern's pole-to-pole journey to the monarch butterfly's multi-generational migration, these migrations represent some of the most incredible navigational feats in the animal kingdom. Every migration tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate connections between different habitats and species. Birds use an astonishing array of navigation techniques, including magnetic field sensing, celestial navigation, and landmark recognition. Their journeys are a testament to the complex sensory and cognitive capabilities that have evolved in these remarkable creatures over millions of years. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of migratory birds, delving into their incredible journeys, the challenges they face, and the critical role they play in maintaining the health of our global ecosystem. We will witness their courage, their resilience, and the beautiful, almost magical ways in which they traverse our planet. Before embarking on their incredible migrations, birds undergo a remarkable physiological transformation known as hyperphagia. During this phase, birds dramatically increase their food intake, sometimes doubling or tripling their body weight. This intense feeding period allows them to build up crucial fat reserves that will serve as fuel during their long, arduous journeys across continents and oceans. The process of preparing for migration is not just about eating more. It's a complex biological preparation that involves significant changes in the bird's metabolism, muscle structure, and even brain chemistry. Hormonal changes trigger the bird's migratory instincts, causing them to develop heightened navigational skills and the ability to sustain prolonged flight. Some species even experience changes in their brain structure, with certain regions responsible for navigation becoming more active during the migratory season. Different bird species have evolved unique strategies for preparing for migration. Arctic terns, which undertake the longest migration of any animal, spend months building up energy reserves and conditioning their bodies for a journey that will cover approximately 44,000 miles round trip. Bar-tailed godwits, another remarkable migrant, can fly for up to 9 days non-stop, covering distances of over 7,000 miles without a single break. The preparation phase is also a critical time for social interactions among migratory birds. Many species form large flocks during this period, which not only provides safety in numbers, but also allows younger birds to learn migration routes from more experienced individuals. These social networks are crucial for the transmission of migration knowledge across generations, ensuring the survival of the species. Navigating across thousands of miles with pinpoint accuracy is a feat that continues to astound scientists. Migratory birds employ a complex array of navigational techniques that include magnetic field detection, celestial navigation, and an incredible ability to recognize and remember landscape landmarks. Recent research suggests that some birds can actually see magnetic fields, using a unique protein in their eyes that allows them to visualize the Earth's magnetic lines. The challenges faced during migration are immense and varied. Birds must contend with extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes, storms, and temperature fluctuations. They face the constant threat of predation, exhaustion, and disorientation. Human-made obstacles such as tall buildings, communication towers, and light pollution have added new layers of complexity to their already challenging journeys. Each year, millions of birds are killed by colliding with structures or becoming disoriented by artificial lights. Climate change has emerged as a significant threat to migratory patterns. Shifting temperatures and weather patterns are disrupting the delicate timing of migrations, causing birds to arrive at traditional feeding and breeding grounds at times that no longer align with food availability or breeding conditions. This misalignment can have cascading effects on entire ecosystems, affecting not just the birds, but also the plants and other animals that depend on their seasonal movements. Despite these challenges, migratory birds demonstrate remarkable adaptability. Some species are already showing signs of changing their migration routes and timing in response to environmental shifts. The ability of these birds to adjust their behavior provides hope and offers valuable insights into how species might respond to rapid environmental changes. The conservation of migratory bird routes, known as flyways, has become a critical global priority. These aerial highways connect different ecosystems and countries, requiring international cooperation and comprehensive conservation strategies. Organizations and governments are increasingly recognizing the importance of creating and maintaining protected areas along these routes to ensure the survival of migratory species. Habitat preservation is key to protecting migratory birds. Wetlands, stopover sites, and breeding grounds must be carefully managed to provide these birds with the resources they need during their incredible journeys. International treaties, like the Migratory Bird Treaty Act, and the Convention on Migratory Species have been instrumental in creating legal frameworks that protect these critical habitats across national boundaries. Technological innovations are also playing a crucial role in migratory bird conservation. Advanced tracking devices, satellite imaging, and big data analysis are helping researchers understand migration patterns with unprecedented detail. Citizen science projects, where amateur birdwatchers contribute observation data, have also become valuable tools in tracking and protecting migratory bird populations. Education and public awareness are perhaps the most powerful tools in bird conservation. By helping people understand the incredible journeys of migratory birds and their ecological importance, conservationists hope to inspire a global movement of protection and respect for these remarkable creatures. Every individual can contribute to this effort, whether by creating bird-friendly spaces, supporting conservation initiatives, or simply spreading awareness about the incredible world of migratory birds. As our journey through the world of migratory birds comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and respect for these extraordinary creatures. Their migrations are not just physical journeys, but epic stories of survival, adaptation, and interconnectedness that transcend human understanding. The story of migratory birds is a powerful reminder of the complexity and beauty of our natural world. They teach us lessons of resilience, cooperation, and the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Their ability to navigate across vast distances, overcome immense challenges, and maintain the health of global ecosystems is nothing short of miraculous. In an era of rapid environmental change, migratory birds serve as critical indicators of ecological health. Their migrations are like a pulse, revealing the state of our planet's interconnected systems. By understanding and protecting these remarkable travelers, we are not just preserving a species, but maintaining the intricate web of life that sustains us all. As we conclude this video, we are reminded that every bird's journey is a testament to the incredible potential of life, a celebration of movement, adaptation, and the unbreakable spirit of survival that connects all living beings on our remarkable planet.